Glenda exposed Busiso. She posted their pictures on her statuses. Lihaza saw it and told her that Ipantin loyal. I was with him in prison. Mr. Kulu learns that Pavarotti is a wanted man, so he's in trouble. And Toga and Alfred deny that they are dating after Evelyn cut her off. She even said that Alfred is not her type. And Ukwez is now having supervised visit. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Skim Sam. Utlenda saw an opportunity. They were sleeping. Mr. Kulu was still asleep. She saw an opportunity to take a picture of them together in bed and posted it on her statuses. Umavuga Usbususo did not know that. So took a picture and he does not want to be on socials at all. Decided we're gonna have a bride and then Lihasa comes over to LJ because now apparently Kwezi must have supervised visits no LJ because she almost balcony. So Lihasa does not trust her with LJ anymore. Every time is a Mona, Lihasa is gonna sit in and supervise her. Oh, she's so petty. Now Ulas does not want to go, saying that abaqede so he can leave. And then Lihasa sees a picture. The status that Dela posted is like the picture of Utlenda and Shongwe together. Lihasa shows Nkosi ethi how. Ushongwe muslo. Because when he arrived, he said Nkosi, we're wasting your time looking for this one. And Utlenda was on post. But the thing is, what is Glenda doing with this ex-con? Lihasa didn't waste time. He phoned Utlenda and told her, Ushongwe lawyer, is an ex-con. I was with him in prison. Ujala ne bantintu bizula ne bantintu ngazi. Glenda thinks no man, it's his twin, but it's twin lagupi. Ibhantinti lo muntu wakho. Yo, poor Glenda. Now this guy who's looking for Pavarotti goes to Hakunu to go supermarket and asked about Pavarotti. Liteje let him Komantulu, took him there. Now this guy arrives Komantulu and shows Umantulu ukuthi ngifuna nale ndoda le uPavarotti. This guy does not say the whole name. Why angasathi vele ngifuna noSibusoxulu? Umantulu would have known ukuthi awuhlali naye uSibusoxulu la. But it would be so confusing because it's showing her picture that is a different man. So now uMantulu says, hey mina ngimazi, come back later when my kids are back. And then she wants to know, she wants Zamagutle to know if he's going to be fine with having Ibrahim, not Glenda, and if Lizzie is also fine with that as well. They said no, they're okay with it. They come back with Zamagutle and no Lizzie. They find Glenda in the kitchen, busy making salads. Lizzie joined her. At least for once, it's not awkward. They're even getting along. Even Mantul is happy saying, it's so nice. Some of things that they're just being, Ulis is just being civil. Marayo Kamho, it's so cozy in the kitchen. They're even tasting recipes together. It's so cute. Now this guy comes back. This guy who's looking for Pavarotti comes back with the picture. Showing do you know this man? But no, we don't know this guy. We've never heard of it. And then Utlenda also looks at it and says, Utlenda, but she seemed a bit off because Pavarotti, like she's heard this name before from Spusis. And then Spuso comes back. This guy shows him the picture because apparently this guy works at F High. Shows him a picture of Pavarotti wearing yo. The guy was like, his actions always kills me. Took off his glasses, held the picture and like, Pavarotti. And then he says he's got his number in the cottage and then he leaves. I'm sure so there's no way. He's running away. And this guy almost saw and tried to stop him, but he left. But this guy can see something is off with Glenda. She seems a bit distant. There's something that she knows. And then Tako goes to see Evelyn. What's going on? And then Evelyn, are you dating? Are you sleeping when you're sleeping with Alfred? She lies and says, no, it's not true. Blah, blah, blah. And then she lies saying that she's not Wamachopela. But Evelyn was like, you know what? You're not my friend anymore. We're not friends anymore. Ogeru, you're sleeping with my enemy. So that makes you my enemy as well. Yo! But obviously, because I've been confiding in you, wanting to take Alfred down, and you've been supporting me. Like, what is this? Like, she feels betrayed, Claire. And her feelings are valid. The best friends, she's supposed to have come to her and told her that actually I'm seeing this man, but she didn't. So it's like it's like some backstabbing going on. And then now, Ustoga tells Alfred that Evelyn knows about us. And then they bump into each other, go to supermarket, and Ari, we're not friends anymore. Get when are you dating that crook? Stock was busy saying, no, Alfred, that's a crook. Ari, Shambona, it's so cute. You're defending your boyfriend. Ari, when I say boyfriend, who lied to you? This man is not even my type. Yay! Hanti Alfred is coming. Okay, why would this Togo go so why would Togo even say that Alfred is not her type, knowing exactly that they're dating? Jiggy Alfred Liana shows up saying, hey, when now Evelyn, stop spreading lies about me, more careful. Just stop it. Evelyn did not even respond, she just looked at them. Now Seba as told Alfred yo are uguti cheki Rosina Carol. Yo, now they're busy wondering hey, this the Shishadas are at high. Because he had everything. Obviously, now he's confirmed with that dating. He's going to tell Matlats. They go back to the house. Now they're arguing. Ari Mahon is head towards Togo said that he is not her type. And Togo says that very this thing's going to backfire. We should just break up. But Alfred doesn't want to break up this Togo. Feel like Alfred okay chill. But his head for his, she said that as a type of high. And then when they're busy arguing, saying, I did not mean it like that, the kids come back. Now, Wushang wants to know if Togo is going to cook for them again. Now, argument if they did. And then Mapiti said she did not get the numbers she thought she was going to get on her podcast. 800 views, she's not even 1K. And well, Chomia High fans thinks that she needs to use influencers because Mapiti said for it. Child about trend and nah get trendy, but you need to pay influencers to promote your podcast. Hey, and a Charles couldn't do a trend that even as people accompanying him are getting fences are high because come along there to like escort him out of the shop. But to Mamutla, yo, Kuri is taking this whole thing seriously. Even Salamina's like, no man, Pila would say serious into your house, ne? And the kids are happy because if Papa not trend, that means Libana know they're getting famous. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.